Hi guys, welcome to my February reset. So we started on the 31st of January. This is what I made for myself and this is how I cook my yam when it's frozen. So I got myself these things, folded the things on the drying rack, then I went to the kitchen to finish the yam up. Then I made myself some popcorn to eat. Yeah, so this is the night of the 31st. I had to wash and I refolded all my things into my wardrobe. This is the next day. I got my drying rack back. I hung my things on it and placed it in the sun. Then I cleaned the room thoroughly. I stay by a roadside, so there's always dust in my room and I have to clean all the time. Hence the cleaning vlogs. So I started from the bathhouse, cleaned the lower place and came to my room, pulled my sofa, cleaned the place. I went to the cosmetic table, cleaned it, cleaned where my shoe rack is. I just placed it back. I had no choice but to clean. Who doesn't clean under their bed? Can you sleep when you see under your bed? Clean under your bed. Then I did the general cleaning in the room. After that, I lit a candle in the room, a scented candle to be precise. Then I moved to the kitchen where the dirt is most because my kitchen is outside and it's closer to the roadside, so I had to clean the place too. Then I went on to the corridor, did some cleaning. So I had work in the afternoon. This is the fit for work, changing to my uniform, did some work. I ate this the following day, me arranging my shoes, then folding the things that I washed the previous day, placing them in my wardrobe. I swept the room again, started an exercise. This was part of the goals of February, but I feel I just did 2 days, then I stopped. So we're having a 14 days prayer and fasting this February. I participated, did me praying small. After the prayers, I went to work. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.